Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 7th. And here we are at the 23rd, and the pattern remains basically unchanged with the strong positive anomalies here near the Aleutian, Northeast Pacific, and we have another ridge here across the southeast into southwest Atlantic. These height anomalies are very strong, as you can see, and we also have a trough here in the west. Heavy rainfall is forecast from the Arklatex region and into the Ohio Valley. This could result in flooding concerns later in the week. Heavy rainfall is also possible along the Gulf Coast. The upper Midwest to New England may experience wintry precipitation. Lower elevation rain and mountain snows will be possible for the Northwest and the upper Mountain West. The eastern U.S. will experience unseasonably mild temperatures with anomalies greater than 20 degrees above normal, and the West will experience below normal temperatures with anomalies greater than 20 degrees below normal. February 26th to March 2nd. Here we are at the 26th. The southeast ridge is forecast to weaken during this period. You're looking at the GFS, and then we go through the period, you start seeing it kind of like flattens out. But we still have above normal heights here, and also across the eastern U.S. We have positive height anomalies starting to develop here, and we'll talk about that later. So, and we have a trough here in the west. So the pattern remains basically the same. And we go to the end of the period. Here we are, March 2nd. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, with anomalies of 48 degrees below normal and above normal temperatures are forecast from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, with anomalies of 8 degrees are possible. This might be a little bit too high, but we'll see how that goes. For precipitation, above normal precipitation forecast for the West Coast states, and for the lower Mississippi Valley into the Mid-Atlantic. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. And we have below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 35% here. Probability of occurrence of below normal precipitation for the southeast is 45%. Okay, March 3rd to the 7th. Now, this is GFS, and this is how the pattern starts out. We still, you can see here, positive height anomalies here, Northeast Pacific. Now we have stronger positive height anomalies here. So have a trough in the west, ridge, over the southeast, the Gulf Coast states. But then as we go through the period, we come to the 7th, we have very strong positive height anomalies, and we start getting below normal heights across here. Now we look at the rest of the models, you can see we have the positive height anomalies across the east kind of disappear. But the pattern is flatter. And here's a look at the European weeklies. This is for March 5th. So during this period also the AO and the NAO are forecast to trend negative. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal or near to below normal temperatures for much of the nation. And anomalies are forecast to be 6 to 12 degrees below normal in the west and about 4 degrees below normal in the east. And for precipitation, we still have above normal precipitation for the West Coast states. Probability of occurrence is 45%. We have below normal precipitation for the central and southern Rockies and the northern Great Lakes and the Northeast. Probability of occurrence is 35%, and we have still below normal precipitation forecast for the Southeast. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's a long-range weather forecast discussion for February 23rd through March 7th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.